Communication. 3. Now listen to Nick giving a presentation on table manners in Britain and check your answers.
Unit 4. Page 43. Communication. Activity 3. Now, listen to Nick giving a presentation on table manners in Britain and check your answers.
In the UK, we eat around the dining table. We follow lots of table manners. Firstly, we use cutlery. You know, knives, forks, and spoons to eat most of the food. We hold the fork in the left hand and the knife in the right. You should hold the handle of the knife in your palm and your fork in the other hand with the prongs pointing downwards. There is also a spoon and a fork for dessert. When you finish eating, you should place your knife and fork with the prongs upwards on your plate. Secondly, you should never use your own cutlery to take more food from the serving dish. Use the serving spoon. Now, if there's bread on the table, you can use your hands to take a piece. Then, break off a small piece of bread and butter it. Thirdly, if you are a guest, you have to wait until the host or hostess starts eating, and you should ask another person to pass the food. Next, never chew with your mouth open, and don't talk with food in your mouth.